Here we have a Jeep Gladiator 2024. So you can see here, hard tri-folding tonneau cover by TonnoFlip, flush fitment, aluminum panels, lifetime warranty. Look how flush is gonna look this tonneau cover once we close it. So we have it. Perfect fitment. Lifetime warranty, the best tonneau cover in the market for your Jeep Gladiator. If you're looking for the best tonneau cover, don't forget to visit www.tonnoflip.com. And coming soon, we'll have available in our webpage our bed mats for all the pickup trucks, also the interior mats. Make sure to visit our website, TonnoFlip.com, to get the best tonneau cover in the market.